Last March, I used coin wrappers to make mini journals, and y'all loved that idea. So today is part 2, and I'm using the same wrappers 3 totally different ways. Don't judge the whole idea by the first make. Each version is completely different.
Museful creations, come and see, crafted with joy soulfully.
We don't really use wrappers like this anymore because banks use coin machines, which means this paper is just sitting in stashes. I'm keeping this quick and purposeful. You'll see where each one lives in a journal at the end. Let's start with make number 1. I'm using a serrated tracing wheel, the kind used in sewing to create a tear-away perforation. After folding the wrapper in 2 sections, I added a whale tail tab with a small hinge about 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. The little scripture pad goes on the back because I still need the front open for the next layers. Glue folded mini envelope onto a piece of cardboard to give it some heft. And then you're going to glue, super important, just the bottom and the top. Now let's work on make number 2. Let's work on number 3. This one was a complete blast. Here are all the 3 finished makes. One goes over the journaling page, and I will show you the different tuck spots with journaling cards. Then the second one clips at the bottom of your signature page with pockets front and back, and one works as a side pocket for journaling spots, which is the last one. Same unlikely supply, 3 very different journal jobs. Which one would you actually use first? Over the page, bottom clip, or side clip? Let me know in the comments below. Museful Maker members will get the coin wrapper cross template with 6 cross sizes. And this Friday, I'll have the coordinating journaling cards that you see here ready for members too. Thanks so much for watching, and don't toss those wrappers just yet.